Hi all, today we are going to discuss about the Leo connecting points. In last class I have already explained you about the 12 Yuan source point. In the same way, in our body there are 16 Leo connecting points. In this 16 Leo connecting points, one is very special, that is Zuli, stomach measure Leo. So in this way we have total 16 point. You can find out the location of this point from the Google, like ST5, SI7, liver 5, GB37. But how to use it, that I am going to explain you here. Whenever we will diagnose a person, suppose we diagnose a person is going through liver issue, so we will first select the Yuan source point because it is the major point, it is the main point. So we will select from here liver 3, LV3, right? Then after giving LV3, we have to first of all we must have knowledge of this is a in organ or yang organ. So liver is a in organ, so its paired organ is gallbladder. So we will come to gallbladder in Leo connecting point and we will give GB37. So how we will make a protocol? The first point will be liver 3 and GB37. But whereas if a person is suffering from gallbladder issue, okay, so we will diagnose him first of all, then we will give him Yuan source point first, that is GB40, and its paired organ is liver, so we will give liver 5. In this way we have to make the protocol. Always keep in mind the first point will be Yuan source, then second point will be Leo connecting point. Thank you.